How does it look exactly like me? Crazy. Oh. All right, guys, it is raining outside today, and you know what that means. Skate 3, the world's greatest skateboard video game.
Are you all right?
Actually, I'm interested. Leave it in the comments below. What do you think is the actual greatest skateboard video game of all time? So, as you know, or maybe you don't know, I completely suck at Skate 3. I am the exact opposite of a Skate 3 professional. So here I have this character, and I'm just like, I want to learn some tricks in Skate 3, but I cannot keep skating with a character that looks like that. Yeah, I want to learn some tricks. Specifically, I want to do some tricks that I've done in my video parts, but for right now, I have got to change this character. So let's see, edit skaters, skater 1. Let's see if I can get some like customization here. Gender male, yes. Your controller batteries are low. Dang it, no. Hair, let's see, what does my hair look like? Huh? What does my actual hair look like? Nope. Like that, maybe? That's kind of what it looks like when it gets long, except for maybe the back of it. That? It's funny looking at yourself and then looking at character in a video game. Moosed up, straight medium. Body mods has all your plastic surgery needs. Okay. Now that I put it like that, it does not look right. Body shape. Okay, I'm definitely scrawny. Wow, yes. I want to do a challenge someday, probably not soon, but someday where I just try to gain as much weight as humanly possible, just to see if I can. Because right now I probably look closer to that. We definitely gotta custom the face. How does my face look? We got to get the biggest nose. I have the biggest nose in Skate 3. Maybe like that. We got the green eyes. Green eyes? I think my brows are pretty thick, huh? Does that look like me at all? Nose, okay, here we go. Length, width, let's get it as big as we can go. Here's my nose is just long, not necessarily so wide maybe. You're looking good. That's the literal biggest nose they have on Skate 3. So if you guys are gonna leave it in the comments below and say, the nose isn't big enough, it's as big as it goes in Skate 3. I like that, he's looking good. Jaw, ooh, it's looking like a chipmunk. Got stung by a bee or something. Okay, mouth. Oof. My lips are like so small, right? Maybe like that. Looks exactly like me. How does it look exactly like me? Oh wow, he's frowning. Sad guy. This is the ultimate test. You ready for this? We are gonna take a picture of this, send it to my wife, and say, does this look anything like me? Or maybe I'll say, who is this? I'm gonna see what her answer is. Facial hair, full beard. Do I have a full beard? Oh, maybe like that, yeah. Upper body tattoo, no. Lower body tattoo. Fun fact, I have 0 tattoos, no tattoos. Here we go, hats. Yeah, this is the way. Is there a way to do like a backwards hat? Stay lame, okay. Probably like this, right? Does that look the best, you guys? Yeah, probably. T-shirt. Yeah, I definitely just need like a straight up city is yours. There's a million shirts in here, but they're all locked. How do we unlock them? I have no idea. But I just realized, oh yeah, put my hat forward, see what it looks like. The think one's pretty sick. Something like that, maybe? Oh, the black hoodie is pretty sick though. Add team logo? Wow, Circa. Leave it in the comments below you guys remember Circa. I used to ride for Circa back in the day. Super fun. I also used to ride for Volcom. Okay. Maybe that hair's a little bit long. What are you guys thinking? No, I don't want a logo in there. No, I don't want. Dang it. What happened? No, I did not. I definitely did not want to do that. Good, we got it. Okay, we're not doing jackets, we're not doing sweaters. We're gonna get the pants though. We need the baggiest pants I got in this whole thing. No, not happening. Also, completely not happening. Ooh, the camo ones? If we could do the camo ones, but like not camo and make them black, it'd probably be pretty cool. This means it says sell 50,000 boards. Sell 250,000 boards? Who's selling 250,000 boards? Please. Okay, that's pretty much it, right? Shoes? How do you change the color of the shoes? Seriously? You can't just change the color? Okay, I guess I gotta pick some black ones. I have this thing because in PJ Ladd's Wonderful Horrible Life, PJ only wore black shoes. And then ever since then, PJ was like my idol. He's like the greatest skateboarder of all time. And I was like, PJ only wears black shoes? I'm only wearing black shoes. And if you notice in a lot of my video parts, black shoes only. And then later on I was like, okay, Aaron, you gotta get over this. And you gotta wear some different colored shoes. And then I did. And then I was like, whoa, gray shoes, crazy. Socks? I don't care about socks. Accessories? Glasses, wrists, necklaces, rings? I guess we're gonna have to do a ring. Yeah, because we're married. Shout out to my beautiful, lovely wife, Danielle. Okay, one thing that I do think that's interesting is on a deck, I want it to be the highest contrast possible against the grip tape. So the grip tape is totally black. I have to have it totally black. So I'm thinking probably a white board because I really want to see it when it flips. And the wheels gotta be white wheels. Edit style, air guitar. Bruce, what is this style? What does this mean? Stance goofy, style aggressive, standard loose, OG? What is that? What does this mean? I don't even see what that's changing. Posture default, macho, straight, hunched. I'm kind of a bit hunched. I'm constantly hunched over. Probably looks a little more like that. Okay, I think we're ready. Are you finished editing your skater now? All of your settings will be saved. It's got the biggest nose possible. Check. Got the hat on. Check. Black hoodie. Got the ring, the board, black shoes. I don't know, guys, looking pretty good. I like it. We're ready to learn some tricks now. I guess that's good. Leave it in the comments below if that looks anything like me. Change name, player 1. So now my skater should be my skater. Oh, he looks so sick. Okay, this is what I wanted to do. I wanted to learn some of the basics. Ollie, just down and up. Kick flip, down and right. We're gonna get out of here and I'm gonna go do some tricks now. Kick flip, good. Heel flip, good. Let's give it a 5-0. Oh, I think I missed the 5-0. Can you imagine if everything is just like this perfect ledge that just grinded endlessly? 5-0, shove it out in the middle. Ouch. When you guys play video games, if your character falls, do you say ouch? Because I do. And kick flip out. Oops. Kick flip out. Okay, thank you. Wait, why isn't the bottom of my board white? Oh, maybe it is. Bodied! Yes. Okay, what I was trying to do is I was trying to learn some of the basics. So I got my kickflip, I got my, I don't know what that was. Oof! Can you imagine? I'm not getting up. I'm not getting up from that. That poor guy's like, I'm just going to the grocery store. 360 pop shove it. Oh, that was it. That was a 3 flip I was trying to do. And now I'm trying to do 360 pop shove it. Oh, I got it. And then 3 flip. Oof. I'm dead. I got nailed by a car and then I flew into another car and just completely died. I am going to go to the skateboard trick guide. I wish real life was like this. I guess it is kind of like this. I guess this is kind of what I'm trying to provide for people, is just make a skateboard trick guide so you guys can learn every single trick. For some reason, pop shove it is really hard. So down and then to swing up. What is happening? Why? This is me in real life. Okay, pop shove it was like a, oh, I did it. And then, ouch. So all the basic tricks, ready? Ollie, front side 180. We're gonna get turned around again for backside 180. Backside 180, accidentally did a heel flip under flip, sorry about that. Backside 180. Okay, thank you. Pop shove, front shove, heel flip, kick flip, kick flip. Okay, that's all of Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1, all the tricks. Now, kickflip crooked grind. What? Okay, ready? Kickflip crooked grind. Ooh, not a kickflip crooked grind, but I'm gonna take it. Kickflip, nose slide, nollie heel flip. I always find video games so funny because like in real life, you would never accidentally do a kickflip, nose slide, nollie heel flip. But in video game land, anything is possible. That's why we like it. This is the final challenge that I'm doing in this video. I'm gonna manual across this, ollie to the next manual pad. Okay, ready? Manual.
Man, how's your face feel?
Bodied. It doesn't feel good, I ain't gonna lie to you, it does not feel good. I'm gonna manual and then go over the gap and then land back into a manual. This is preparing myself for my next video I'm about to do. Manual. Kickflip out. That wasn't what I wanted to do, but it was still pretty sick. Why is Skate 3 the best game ever invented? Better than Tony Hawk 1 and 2? Leave it in the comments below. Dang it! Why do I feel like sometimes the things that are like more realistic in real life are harder in the game? Like I want to send some tricks to Zexy Zek and see if he can just like so easy, like no problem, do them all. Ouch. Okay, how do you push in this game? What the heck? Okay, that's sick. Oh, wow, this is something I've never done in real life that I need to do. Fast plant to manual. Now I'm set. So I think what I need to do is get enough speed by going down this hill, and now I'm gonna go manual. I thought I was gonna do that first try. Okay, now I just go to marker. Easy. See? Guys, I'm getting it. I'm a like Skate 3 professional before you know it. Maybe what I should do is like road to Skate 3 professional. Oh, nice! Okay, I'm super stoked on that. I just did it, and I kickflipped out. Okay, guys, I might be the best Skate 3 player that has ever played in the history of Skate 3. Okay guys, I made my character. That was super fun. Please leave it in the comments below. What Skate 3 videos do you think I should make? What videos do you think I should make in general? All right, hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at BrailleSkateboarding.com.